Hey, my wonderful friends, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, or subscribe, and click on another video. Now, a friend of mine sent me this thing here, and I talk about it for a little bit. But this guy is a pastor, a preacher in Port of Spain, Trinidad, and he had run into some difficulties. And when I read the situation, two things come to my mind, It just shows how people are, and it also shows what is going on down in Trinidad, a snapshot of what's going down in Trinidad and Tobago. I had sent this man picture to a friend of mine in Trinidad, and my friend texts back and said this guy is an informant, a police informant, and just a real bad negative report on this young man or this older guy. Look at the screen in front of you. It's an officer of the Interagency Task Force, the Special Branch, the Special Investigation Unit, visited Mr. Brown at his Arima home. The raid was dubbed Operation Creed, and they said Mr. Brown, who is a former police officer, has reportedly admitted to being a spy. Now this is, I tell you, Trinidad has some weird stuff. Now, if he's a spy, is he a spy for who? Because I'm quite sure Trinidad doesn't have a CIA. He must be an informant who is informing on the gangs them. But this is why he probably told the police them he's a spy. Look at this. Now, look what the police find at his house. Them find 2 wireless radio, meaning it's a police walkie-talkie, and 2 police uniforms were among that and other items seized at this pastor man yard. Now this pastor man, he's out there preaching the word of God, and at the same time the man is doing criminal activity. No, I am chuckling, but it is not funny. And this is not only in Trinidad, but we just to show you how mankind is and how people are. Because just imagine, he gets up every day preaching in a church, and then goes out, put on police uniform. The only reason why you would want to have a police uniform and use no longer police is because you're doing illicit activity, and the illicit activity, more likely, it's either for money. So either you peddle drugs for man and act like police same way, or whatever it man, me no know. But if you're no longer police, you're not a police. What are you doing with police walkie-talkie and police uniform. Explain that. And that's the issue. So I ain't gonna make this video too long. It just knocked me with a dose of reality, cause every time you're willing to give people the benefit of the doubt, cause you know he's a pastor preaching to people this, that, whatever, whatnot. Here it comes. The man have gun and all sort of thing. Police uniform, and he's out there doing illicit activity, and he's preaching to people. Probably they're giving him money at the church. You understand? And this is what he does. Now, like I said earlier, I'm about to wrap this up, but I linked a friend of mine in Trinidad, and the man tell me, said this guy is an informer, and pretty much he's a bottom feeder, piece of shit, and that is so, it was so negative. I asked him if he knows the man. He said, hell fuck no. So this guy seems like he must have a real notorious thing out there on the streets in Trinidad, boy. But yeah, this is where we are dealing with. We are dealing with crime and more crime and more crime. Cause when you have a citizen, a weird blood clot police uniform, dog, yo my lord, that is very, very, very fucking dangerous. And speaking about police, we gotta talk about the 100-man police them, car me get a picture for them, and boy, when me look on the picture, it stay away. Me have some things I want to talk about that, and me have couple more videos coming with the dangles them. And I didn't forget about Shotty Mark. Shotty Mark! Shotty Mark, I am coming for you. I didn't forget about you. But the pastor, yeah, him forgot jail though, straight up. Him forgot blood clot jail. If me was a judge and a ex-policeman who is now a preacher or a pastor come in my courtroom in something like this, him not get no blood clot bail. Yo, the worst thing we hate is people who abuse them power, especially the government and people like police. That's why I don't like police like that. I don't really like police, you know. Me have police friend and them thing there, but I don't really like police. But definitely not like politician. And I don't like blood clot youngster them. We are kill off them one another and I kill off the blood clot poor people, and that's how we see. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.